Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from Rider of the Storm and the World's Dirtiest Workshop. I'm here with my Subaru. I'm going to make this video for my Subaru channel. I'm running camera lines. Okay, so this is the line I'm running. It's very thin. It's a hardened wire. It's really a pretty cool configuration. It's a little tiny plug here. Let me show you this plug. So this isn't a two-wire system. It's very small, very, very small. But if you can get a security camera with a wire like that, that's what you should get. This wire is tough. It should last a good long time. I am running it inside the door seal all the way down. And from there, back up to the front of the car. And I'm literally running it up the other door seals. So I run it up the passenger door seal in the back, across the central pillar, up and over the door seal on the driver's side, then around the pillar up there on the windshield, and then up and over to the mirror. That's what I'm doing today. And you know, that's a great way to run it. It's the least impactful. If the device dies, you can always replace the device and just pull the wires out from the door seals, and you haven't cut anything or destroyed anything on the car. So hey, that's the way to do it if you're going to be mounting stuff. So I got the camera up there, and I have the camera up here. So I want to thank you for watching Christopher Thunder and the World's Dirtiest Workshop here on my Subaru channel. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.